Southbound on Jackson.
10-4.
This is a good forward and show. Light standby. Black male driver.
10-4, 1033.
Southbound on Jackson.
Ten four, 1031, southbound 35th Ave. Southbound 25th Ave. 10-4.
Secondary unit.
10-4, fifth tail. Go behind him, we're westbound 14th Street. We're 25th Avenue. 10-4, westbound 14th Street. West 97, I'm just waiting for my camera to cool down. 10-4, 97. And we are back eastbound on 14th Street. 10-4, eastbound on 14th. Which is 25th Avenue. Alright, he's lost the tire. He's on standby. 10-4, lost tire. On 32nd Avenue. 10-4 on 32nd Avenue.
I can't fit him in the side, so freeze! Freeze! Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! There's people in the car. Right behind us.
Cool. Now, you looking at these lives that you done put in jeopardy, your life that you put in jeopardy. Now you got charges. Now you over here in Marion. It ain't gonna be easy to get up out of Marion.
I know.
It ain't. You in the wrong county. The wrong county.